Hey guys, it's me, Bowser64. Thanks for joining me. Basically, dude, this is gonna be a video that's gonna blow your mind. You know why? Cause
welcome to YouTube. I make videos.
so let's say that you're out recording your favorite kind of location and you're on a roll. You've had this amazing footage that you've captured, and then all of a sudden it just dies. Yes, that's right, it dies. And I'll slow that down in editing so you can get that milked to the maximum limit.
It just dies.
And then you start to panic and you start to wonder, did I leave the oven on? Did I wash my hair last Wednesday? And if I fall down on this floor, is it gonna hold me up? You know, you start to wonder these things. And you're praying and praying, oh, please have my file there. And then you get there and it's nowhere to be found. You go to your gallery, you don't see any file you recorded. You go to your file manager and you kind of look at what your file names are of your videos, but you see a question mark. And it's named just like the next video would have been. And you're like, my gosh, this must have been my video. You find the file and there's one of two things. It could have a question mark, or you could have the actual thumbnail missing. If you try to play it in your video manager, you end up finding that it says unsupported file type. But never fear, guys, because I'm going to show you in the next few minutes, after this incredibly lengthy intro, how to fix all of your MP4 files. Well, almost all of them. Okay guys, so we are here. I'm looking at my start screen on my phone right here, and here we go. We're gonna swipe left and we're going to go into File Manager. I'm going to show you exactly what I was talking about with that corrupted file stuff, jargon stuff going on that I was talking about. As you can see, there's an MP4 Fix file right down there. That was my last fixed video, and now I'm going to do a new one. So I'm going to go into Camera, and we're going to slide all the way down to here. And as you can see, 201.801.01 underscore 233.836 is at the bottom there. As you can see on the left hand side, there are previews of my videos that were successfully ended by hitting the stop button. So they were successfully recorded videos that aren't corrupt. And one of the telltale signs that you have a corrupt video file is that the preview is going to be absent. There's not going to be a thumbnail. So as you can see, it's just the default play symbol. And if I try to play it, it's going to open up video or all these options. I want to play it with my video player, just default. And it's going to say unsupported file type. So there you go. That's a problem, obviously. And now we're going to go into VLC and try to do the same thing. It's just going to error out, as in just crash immediately. And there you go. See, nothing can play it. Even Power Media Player is not going to be able to play it. I'm going to go ahead and go through every application I have on my phone just to prove the point that it's not going to work. As you can see, it says Power Media Player cannot play this video. Select next, play the next video, or back to return to the main window. Blah, 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 blah. So many words in 1 minute. And okay, guys, I'm good. So basically, I'm going to try playing this again, and I'm going to do photos, and it's going to error out as well. Probably say some sort of weird error like, you suck. You're trying to play this video, but you suck. Actually, it's going to just keep trying to play it and fail. So as you can see, guys, not a good scenario here. It's just not working, period. I'm going to go ahead and close out Google Photos because I don't need it, and VLC. And here we go. So as you can see, here's another MP4 fix. This is the last time I fixed this video. In the previous take I did of this, so I'm going to delete that. And then now we're going to go to the fun part. So I'm going to show you in gallery what I was talking about as well, that if you go down here and you open your gallery, I actually could have done it on my start screen. There we go. and it should be here. And okay, here you go. It's this one right here, right there. If you see the gray thingamajig right there, basically that is the file I'm talking about. See how there's an exclamation point by it? It means it's unplayable. Again, if I try to open it with video or any other player, it's just going to say unsupported file type. There you go. So that's our problem. So now what do we do? We're going to open MP4 Fix and fix the world. It's going to be awesome. Totally awesome, dude. And MP4 Fix is right here. As you can see, the big gray box on the screen. I'm going to open it up. Now it's going to automatically find any videos that were corrupted, such as basically the way I got this corrupted file that you're looking at now, the 233-836 below the tap tiles video, is that I have it set up already that it's going to find the corrupted files because I deleted all the ones that I already fixed. So what was I saying here? Oh yeah, basically this will automatically scan for any corrupt videos you have, which is really convenient and a time and lifesaver, because if you're out on the field and your battery dies or whatever and you're trying to find that file, you know, telltale signs, like I said, it's not going to have a thumbnail image. It's just going to be like a blank file. It's also going to be with a length of 0, which I need to show you guys that. Thanks for reminding me. Alright, so here we go, and we're going to go back into DCIM and show you what I'm talking about. So basically, camera, there we go. So I'm going to go hit details on this, and as you can see, under length, it is 00:00, representing that this file has no length whatsoever, but we can tell it is the right file because the right date and time stamp is stamped on it. You know, 1/1/18, 11:38 p.m. That is when that was recorded, and it's also the 233-836 MP4. It's also 46.91 megabytes, which you would expect it to be for about 16 minutes of video recording, which is about how long the video is. So again, going back to MP4 Fix, you can go ahead and tap this file. It's going to say preparing. And what it's going to do now is it's going to copy the file header from another correctly recorded file. And what this means is basically whenever you record a video, in order for it to be deemed playable, basically the way video files are recorded in the MP4 format is it is streaming a bunch of images and interlacing that with audio as a recording. So if anything interrupts that process, say like your battery dies or your phone resets or something like that, and you don't hit the stop button or the stop key on your camera or on your camera application on your phone, then it will not close the file properly, so it won't be able to categorize and search through the data correctly when you try to play the file. So it will seem like it's corrupt, but oftentimes it isn't, and that's why this program is so awesome, this MP4 Fix program, because you can just pretty much save any file. I mean, this is like one of the most valuable tools in the world for a videographer or anybody who is a video enthusiast or crazy about video editing or anything like that. If you play a lot of videos, if you record a lot of videos on your phone, you definitely want to pick up this program. It runs about $5.99 for the full version. Keep in mind though that you can try out this program for free and you will be able to do some things. And I think they'll let you like render 3 videos or something, and I don't really remember all the ins and outs of it, but $6 guys to rescue any video that you thought you lost. I mean, how valuable are your videos to you? I mean, how much would you pay to rescue a video you thought was long done and gone and just a fact of history that you would never see again because you can't play the file, you can't edit it, you just, you know, you're dead in the water. And it's like, you can't slap a price on art. You can't slap a price on that perfect take of that one thing you did just because you lost it. I mean, it's just like, I mean, this priceless. So $6 for a program like this that will reliably fix your files is nothing. And like I said, we're gonna copy the file header from the other recorded file. And what this means basically is a header is, it basically tells the player how to play the file. I believe that is my understanding of it anyway. And 201.801.02_095.125.mp4 is a playable file as it sits now on my memory. And basically, that means that it's a good example for the program to pull information from to know how to close off the file. It's basically closing off the file after it's been, I mean, as far as my phone is concerned and players are concerned, the file is not done recording yet. It's still open. It's just a continuous data stream. There's no hexadecimals. There's no code on the end that's telling it this is the end of the file. So any players don't know what they're looking at unless it's got a header. So it's really complicated to explain in like 9 minutes, but hey, you know, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit repair. It's going to copy that header over. It doesn't take very long normally. And as you can see, it says whole file processed and recovered 16 seconds. And that's exactly as much as we recorded. That is perfect because it's not any more or less than what we recorded, and it seems like it got everything. So it says if you expected a longer video, we're sorry, but there is no more data in the file, so nothing else can be recovered. In case the video does not play correctly, try repairing again. Next time, select a different correctly recorded file to copy the header from. So as you can see over here, it says all data recovered. We can preview it, repair it again in case the repair didn't work or something went wrong. And it's also saved as well. We can also play it right here, which we're gonna do in our default video player. And here we go. So this is just a simple, quick video, just me like videoing a room, and basically what I did in this video to make sure that I could recreate the fact that my battery died was I did a soft reset key combination on my phone. So my phone rebooted in the middle of me recording. So I knew and I could guarantee that I did not close off the file by hitting stop or any proper methods. So I basically got a corrupted file to use for this instructional video. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that this program will help you out. It's about $5.99 on the Google Play Store. It is a really cool program that I mean, like I said, what kind of price are you gonna slap on your irreplaceable videos I mean, who knows how many videos you've lost up to this point just because you thought they were corrupt, right? Your camera died and you're like, crap. It was like, so much for that. Guess I'll have to go back to video making school. No, you won't have to go back to video making school. I made more videos in one night than you did in your entire lifetime. Well, how can you say that? Because you haven't lived that long. I don't know, but I just say what, you know, you get the idea, guys. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, comment, like, dislike, and by the way, did I ask you if you would subscribe? Dude, that would be awesome if you would subscribe. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you around with another video. So here we go. Basically, it's going to be, there's a lot of words in 1 minute right here. I'm getting all like, oh my gosh, I can't say these words. I'm like, yes you can. And I'm like, no I can't. And I was like, I don't know. I don't even know. It's awesome. I can fix MP4. Can I fix an MP4? No, I can't fix MP4, but I know an app that can. And you know what? You're totally right. And you're gonna like, awesome. I don't know what that was, but anyway, it felt like something I needed to do at the moment, so I was like, whoa, this is so cool! I can take videos! This is just unheard of! It's like, what? No, seriously, guys, subscribe.